Today we're looking at the top 3 best window cleaning robots. I've done the research and found a set of must-have options for different needs. Whether you're focused on price, performance, or everyday use, I've got you covered. Links are below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Hutt Auto Window Cleaning Robot. Ever worried about a window cleaning robot slipping, missing spots, or just not doing the job right? That fear ends right here. The smart window cleaner isn't just another gadget. It's built to grip better, clean deeper, and work smarter, so you can finally trust it on your glass without hovering nearby. Let's start with the upgraded design, because this is where safety really shines. The robot uses a Smart 1 plus 2 compartment layout with one main compartment and 2 secondary ones working together. Thanks to triple reabsorption, the grip strength jumps massively, making the robot feel rock solid once it's on the glass. No scary sliding, no sudden drops. It stays firmly attached while it works, even during longer cleaning sessions, giving you peace of mind from start to finish. Now here's something you'll appreciate right away. The robot comes with 4 upgraded spray nozzles instead of the usual setup. That means wider and more even water coverage every time. Add in the large water tank, and you're looking at enough water to clean a huge window area in one go. What really sets this cleaner apart is how smart it is. With 13 advanced sensors, it detects edges with incredible accuracy. Even frameless glass isn't a problem anymore. The laser edge detection knows exactly where the glass ends, while intelligent frequency conversion adjusts suction automatically. If there's a small gap or tricky section, the robot adapts on the fly, keeping movement smooth and controlled. Speaking of suction, this machine doesn't guess. It thinks. Powered by an AI-driven system, the robot senses how dirty the glass is and adjusts suction strength accordingly. It ranges from lower power for light dirt to very strong suction for tougher grime. This keeps the robot securely attached while also protecting your glass from scratches. Durability matters too, and that's clearly been considered. The track system was designed with help from tire engineers, using high-quality rubber and strong driving wheels. The result is better shock absorption, excellent anti-slip performance, and gentle contact with the glass surface. Using it couldn't be simpler. One button is all it takes. The robot starts with clear voice prompts to guide you. For heavily dirty windows, start with dry wiping first. Then switch to wet wiping using a fresh cloth for a polished finish. Just keep in mind the operating conditions. This robot works best on vertical, smooth surfaces within the supported height range. It needs a right-angled frame with enough thickness, without rounded edges or silicone strips, making placement easy and secure. Once you set it up, it does the hard work while you relax. Tap subscribe before the robot finishes cleaning the last window. Number 2, best overall, Gnovel Window Cleaning Robot. Ever looked at your windows and thought there's got to be an easier way than hanging a halfway out with a cloth? That's exactly where this window cleaning robot steps in. It's built to take the stress, risk, and hard work out of window cleaning, while still giving you that crystal clear finish you want. First things first, safety and power are the real stars here. This robot packs a powerful 8,000 pascals of suction, which means it grips tightly to smooth vertical surfaces without slipping. On top of that, it uses a 15-stage anti-fall protection system and comes with a sturdy safety tether that stretches over 16 feet. Put together, this triple layer setup keeps the robot firmly attached, whether it's working on high-rise windows, glass railings, or large panels. While it stays locked in place, it pulls up dust, stains, and stubborn grime with ease, so you can relax knowing both your windows and your safety are covered. Now let's talk about cleaning performance. The robot uses a smart 3-nozzle wide spray system that spreads a fine, even mist across the glass. This helps loosen dirt fast and leaves fewer streaks behind. The extra large water tank holds 180 milliliters, which means longer cleaning sessions without stopping to refill. That's a big win if you have wide windows or multiple panels to clean in one go. Every window is different, and this robot gets that. It offers 4 customized cleaning modes, including quick cleaning for light dust, deep cleaning for tougher messes, an end pattern for balanced coverage, and edge cleaning for borders and corners. With a wide adjustable cleaning angle that goes up to 120 degrees, it easily adapts to framed windows, glass railings, tiled walls, and more. No awkward spots get ignored. What really sets it apart is how well it handles tight and tricky areas. Its ultra-narrow cleaning path, measuring just over 1.5 feet by 1.5 feet, lets it move around window locks and narrow sections without getting stuck. At the same time, the wide cleaning angle makes sure large open panes are fully covered. Big or small, simple or complex, every inch gets attention. Best of all, it's completely hands-free. Just press start and the robot takes over. It plans its route, switches modes when needed, keeps an eye on safety, and even finishes up neatly on its own. In short, it turns window cleaning from a risky chore into a simple push-button task that fits easily into your routine. By the way, which of these robots would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Number 1, our pick, Ecovacs Portable Window Cleaning Robot. Ever looked at your windows and thought, yeah, not today? That's exactly where the Ecovacs Portable Window Cleaning Robot steps in. This little machine is built for people who want spotless glass without the stress, the mess, or the risky balancing acts. From small bathroom windows to big floor-to-ceiling glass, it's designed to make window cleaning feel almost effortless. One of the first things you'll notice is its dual power mode, which gives you real freedom. In battery mode, it's perfect for spots where plugs are hard to reach, like balconies or bathrooms. On a full charge, it runs for about 110 minutes and can clean up to 55 square meters. That's more than enough for most homes. When you're dealing with larger glass areas and have a socket nearby, just switch to plugged-in mode. This allows non-stop cleaning while also protecting the battery from wearing out too fast. It's reliable, flexible, and ready when time matters. And then there's the 6-in-1 multifunction station. And honestly, this is where things get clever. This all-in-one station acts as a control panel, charger, stabilizer, and even a storage unit. Everything you need stays in one place, making the whole process safer and easier to handle. Cleaning power is where this robot really shines. The 3-nozzle wide-angle spray system spreads water evenly across the glass, while the wet cloth wipes away dirt in a single pass. With water pressure boosted by 100% and longer spray time, stubborn grime doesn't stand a chance. Dirt dissolves quickly and gets removed cleanly, without streaks. Thanks to intelligent path planning, the robot knows exactly where to go. Its upgraded brushless motor works with WindSlam 4.0 technology to boost efficiency by 30%. It turns smoothly, detects edges accurately, and adjusts to different window types, whether they're framed, frameless, tilted, large, or small. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. With a 12-stage protection system covering both hardware and software, the Ecovacs Portable Window Cleaning Robot is built to stay secure while it works. On top of that, insurance protection adds extra peace of mind, so you never have to worry. To top it off, you get 5 cleaning modes you can control from the station or the app, plus an intelligent climbing system that prevents slipping even on wet glass. Stable, smart, and powerful, this robot turns window cleaning into something you barely have to think about. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.